These are the M Frame Heater new frames, and I will show you how to remove and reinstall the lens. So first thing you're going to do is take off the nose piece. You're going to do this by pinching and then pull. It should come off fairly easily. So to remove the one singular lens, you're going to pull only from the middle, not on the sides, just from the middle. You're going to pull apart the frame from the lens, and these should come out also. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to slide one end first and then the other, like so. When you slide it in, you want to make sure that both this part and this part are in the frames. And then you're going to push, and you want to make sure that the frame is inside the grooves on the rim. And then you just reinstall the nose piece by pushing it and making sure the lens is in the grooves. And that's it.